Today we are unboxing, installing, and reviewing the SimpliSafe home security system to help you make a great buying decision. Let's go for it. We picked up this bundle that you see right now at Sam's Club for a sale price of $270 and also got the camera doorbell on sale for $130. So be sure and check the links below for the current prices on all the products in this video. You may just catch them on sale yourself. So let's go ahead and jump right into the unboxing of this SimpliSafe bundle. Now, some of the items that come in the box weren't technically strapped down in their spots, so you may see a few things have shifted while I've been moving this package around. Now, my first impressions of both the keypad and the base unit were actually pretty good. They seem to be made of pretty good quality plastic, and for their purpose of sitting around or sitting on the wall, I am not worried about their build quality. Every product in this box that did not come with a power adapter came with the little tab that keeps the battery from draining while in the box. And like I mentioned earlier, you can see here that not all of the items came that secure in the box, so they shifted around, especially those sensors. They have magnets in them and they all wanted to join together. And that solid build quality seems to be the same with the door and window sensors as well as the motion detector. Our bundle also came with this awesome key fob that has quick buttons for off, home, and away, as well as a panic button on top. Now, it's meant to go on your keychain and it has a fairly sturdy leather strap to it, but I would see myself probably more so using this on my nightstand as a quick way to grab the remote, set the alarm if I forget to, without having to pull my phone out, open the app, and try to set it in there. The SimpliSafe indoor camera unit that normally costs $99 also came in this unit. I was a little disappointed to see that it only had a resolution of 720p, and while I do wish it was at least a 1080p camera, after looking at it in the app, I didn't really have too much to complain about there. There are a few things about this camera that are worth talking about, but we will get to that soon. Opening up the doorbell unit, it has the same great packaging as the other devices. The build quality also seems sturdy, just like all of the other products. And this camera in the doorbell unit is a 1080p camera, which was a little bit shocking that the indoor camera is only 720, while on your front door you can get 1080. Overall, I do like the build quality and the look of this unit, but I do wish that it would be a little bit thinner so it doesn't stick out from my door frame too much. And now let's go back and talk about the indoor camera. Now, the few things that I don't really love about this camera is that it has a physical shutter that makes a clicking sound when it opens and shuts, but you can change that in the app if you want to so that it does stay open all the time. This camera's field of view is 120 degrees, and while I will admit that I don't have too much of a problem with that angle, I've seen a few security cameras that do have a wider angle that can help capture that room more fully. And I wanted to use this camera to capture the living room and to be able to look down a hallway, but with this 120 degree field of view, I can't quite get both of those in the shot. And the last thing is that it doesn't have as good of a quality as other cameras in its night vision mode. I usually do leave a dim light or two on downstairs, but I do wish the quality was a little bit better in the night vision mode. The installation of each one of these products was incredibly simple. The base unit you just plug in, it'll activate itself. You quickly set up a pin and connect the keypad to the base unit. The keypad even lifts off its back plate if you need to move it or take it back to the base station to try to help it connect. Creating an account and setting up the app was a breeze. There are just a few quick steps like setting up your username and password, connecting to your home Wi-Fi, and then connecting all of the other products that you have. You can see the process of setting up the camera here. You just give this camera a name, set it up to the Wi-Fi, and it will then display a code that you scan with the camera itself, and you are set up and ready to go. And even the installation of the doorbell was incredibly simple. You just pop off that archaic looking doorbell that you already have, remove the 2 wires from it, insert them beneath the screws of the SimpliSafe unit, screw the base plate into your frame, and slide the doorbell over it. And after a moment, the doorbell will alert you that it is ready to set up with your app. This is the same basic process as setting up the indoor camera. You just select adding a camera for your front door, name the device, set it up with Wi-Fi, and connect the camera by scanning the code on your phone. And here is one final look at some of these products back from the unboxing. We would love to hear what you think about this SimpliSafe system. Does this system meet your home security needs? Is there a better system out there that you might recommend? Let us know in the comments down below. So all in all, we really like the SimpliSafe home security system. It came packaged very well. All of the products were easy to set up. The app works really well and the notifications come through promptly. The reason we went with SimpliSafe over a more traditional home security system is that we wanted control over the products that we were getting. We wanted to be able to move those products from home to home when we move. We wanted to be able to upgrade at any point, and we liked the price point of the monthly service for SimpliSafe over some of the other traditional providers. So if you're still looking around for a home security system, I do recommend doing your homework and finding the solution that is right for you. But if you are interested in this SimpliSafe system, please check the links in the description below because these products might be on sale. And go ahead and like, subscribe, thumbs up, share, do all of the YouTube things, and we'll see you in the next one.